is our office. First, we are going to visit our workshop. Now we can see here is our stainless steel coil raw materials. On my right side is our stainless steel on-coil machine. Each of stainless steel sheet like this is made from stainless steel coil. Next to me is our laser cutting machine. Next, we are going to visit our stainless steel leveling machine. And this side are our grinding machines. This is our bending machine workshop. On my left side is our stainless steel embossed machine. This is our stainless steel plate warehouse. Now let's take a closer look at automatic stainless steel pipe cutting equipment.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.